No blame Fubara if he join APC. Na PDP first betrayer Ugochinyere. Welcome country people to Senate Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, wetin you dey wait for? Make you put on your notification button. E go give you notice once we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our video. Country people, the travails, the challenges when the suspended governor of Rivers, Siminalayi Fubara, dey pass through, e don dey take a heavy toll on am as a person. Though during one tribute wey dem do for late elder statesman Pa Edwin Kiagodo Clark for Port Harcourt, the governor tried to make light of the situation when he talk say e come look fresh now than when he dey government house. But the truth remain, say na who wear the shoe na him know where the shoe for the pain. And the move to take make peace, e come dey make the governor dey go up and down between the house of the former governor and minister for the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, and the president and commander-in-chief, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That even one businessman, he come refer to Fubara, say na weak man, say na weakling, and that he regret why he ever support am. But Fubara, he still dey go im own way to solve the problem when he dey ground for Rivers State. Now this development na be the template for this story when the Nigerian Opposition Lawmakers Coalition, dem come dey concerned. Dem dey see the travails wey the governor dey pass through. Na dem come dey come out now dey talk, say make nobody blame am if eventually he join the ruling All Progressive Congress, because him own political party, the People's Democratic Party (PDP), don betray am tey. The lawmakers dem dey react to rumours when e dey fly up and down say Fubara dey plan to join the All Progressive Congress, especially with im last visit to President Bola Tinubu for im house for Lagos. Dem dey claim say PDP e give structures to serving minister for the APC. They apparently dey refer to Nyesom Wike when he claim say PDP give am the go-ahead to serve as minister for the cabinet of Bola Tinubu. For one statement, when their spokesperson, Honorable Ikenga Ugochinyere, the opposition lawmakers, they talk say PDP, they support the lawmakers who decamp to the APC against the governor, and they want impeach the governor. But the party not dey do anything to protect Fubara and his leadership, and they obnob with the FCT minister, Nyesom Wike. The lawmakers, they maintain say since the president Bola Tinubu declared state of emergency for Rivers State on March 18, and the suspension of Fubara from office, the People's Democratic Party never take any step to help the suspended governor for him problem, apart from to come out to talk to press. They can say the rumors when they make the rounds now, say Siminalayi Fubara, when they suspend from office as Rivers State Governor after the declaration of state of emergency for the state, they plan to defect from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress because of his recent visit to the president for Lagos. So if PDP, they equally they support the lawmakers, I be Martins and Mewule them, and the other lawmakers, when it decamp to the APC against the governor, and they want impeach him, and they not do anything to protect Fubara, then they not go still blame Fubara if he also defect to join the APC. They talk this one now because not be just for the PDP to they issue press statements and they know they feel they follow up with action. Even the PDP, the crisis when they get, they cause implosion within the party. They never fit solve their own problem. How they want to go solve the problem of the governor when they suspend. So this one can be like now warning of waiting won't happen so that PDP not go say the governor is disappointed because the governor when he needs them, he not see anything when they do for him. This talk when Ugochinyere, a strong ally of Siminalayi Fubara, they talk so. A lot of people they take him serious because they believe say Ugochinyere they like him to John the Baptist for the Bible when he be forerunner of our Savior Jesus Christ. So if Ugochinyere now they come out with the group of opposition legislators, then it will show very strong likelihood. Say the rumor when they say Fubara go join APC, na true one. But the question when people they ask now, Ugochinyere and the other legislators them, when they opposition too, they will still because of this one too follow Fubara go join APC. Say because this statement they pregnant. Some others they say they hear wetin Ugochinyere they talk so. Abi na AI they talk this one with a name. Now somebody say abeg make you fear politicians. This one they bring to mind wetin somebody talk. They say politics na self-interest and loyalty. It should not be about the people. See the way opposition come dey fall like pack of cards. Almost everybody now they go join the party in power. Country people, una don hear the story. No blame Fubara if you hear say he don pot go the All Progressive Congress as in party no fit help am solve him problem. Then he go try solve him problem anyhow and any way he go fit do am. Wetin you get to talk for this story? Abeg, put am for the comment section.